Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I want to do a guide into treating yourself like a queen. In other words, how to make the most of your day off and treat yourself to the nines. And I just want to show you some steps of what I like to do to accomplish just that. So let's just jump right in. So first thing is I'm going to start by taking a bath, because what's more relaxing than a bath? For today we're going to be using bubble bath, a bath bomb, and some Epsom salt. So we're going to go ahead and fill up our bathtub and then go in with your bubble bath. I like a lot. And then I'm going to go ahead and measure out my Epsom salt. I usually just use a capful, honestly, and then I sprinkle it in, and we'll save this bad boy till the end. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and apply our mask. I'm using a L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask along with the e.l.f. mask tool to apply it. This makes it so easy to get it on so fast and evenly. And just go ahead and smear that on. And look at our bath, looking great. But we need to add in that bath bomb. And to be honest, it was super anticlimactic. Now we'll just go ahead and pick our favorite song or playlist, or just watch some YouTube. If I am doing a mask though, I do like to watch a YouTube video because it's a very easy way to time it. We're gonna go ahead and remove our mask. Honestly, after this bath, I took a shower. And then I'm gonna go with my skincare. I like to use two cleansers, the charcoal one by Briora, as well as the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. You can shave if you need to. And then for soap, I like to use the soft soap ones. They have lots of yummy flavors. And the Jergens Wet Moisturizer for in the shower. And then I'm gonna go ahead and clean my face, just using my cleansing brush for a deep clean. So I'm all done with my bath. And now I'm just gonna put some on my skin because I feel super tight after that mask. But honestly, I really love that mask because in like 2 days, my face looks so clear. Anyways, for the rest of the face, I'm gonna go on with the Pixie Vitamin Wake Up Mist. Some moisturizer. I like the Garnier skincare one. Some chapstick because why not have some nice luscious lips. After I put on my fluffiest robe and my comfiest slippers, and I want to be just that much more extra for the day, I go ahead and use my massage chair. Obviously, you can sit it up, but I like to lay it down because it's more pressure, and I just adjust it how I like it, and I'm good to go. Honestly, that massage chair was such a random purchase, but I like it so much. It made such a difference, and I was already wanting to go to get massages every month, so this just seemed like much more affordable in the long run. Even in the short run, it's much more affordable, and I have no regrets. I also have this little frog looking one which I use for my feet. Also, what kind of treat yourself day would it be if you didn't order in some food? Honestly, after that I just chill, I watch some TV, or I play on my phone. And here guys, that pretty much completes this guide on how to treat yourself like a queen or a king, whichever one you want to be. And I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know every time I upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!